Good morning. The indices, which struggled for quite some time post the budget, are now steadily moving upwards. The Nifty now looks set to conquer its previous 52-week high of 5,311 shortly, unless something untoward takes place in the interim. FII flows have been consistently positive while the local funds have been sellers. With the fiscal year drawing to a close, there may be some window dressing by the local funds to perk up the NAVs. If that does happen, the Nifty could face and scale new heights. Even as the markets move, there is a lingering fear that April would turn out to be a little cruel. Today we expect a positive opening with the markets in the US and Europe hitting new 2010 peaks. Asian markets though are mixed and relatively subdued. Hopefully that should not deter the bulls here in India. In the event of a fresh fall, the Nifty may find support at 5,175. One big challenge will be to sustain above 5,300 amid growing concerns over stubbornly high inflation and an impending rate hike. The other news for the day is L&T gets Rs 16 billion order for ONGC well platforms. Yash Birla Group to invest Rs 55 billion in power and lifestyle. Lakshmi Mittal in talks to buy strategic stake in unlisted Bhushan Power and Steel. S&P revises its outlook on Tata Motors to positive from negative. The railways hike iron ore export freight. The government to decide on infusing Rs 165 billion in public sector banks by the end of next month. Railways plans to hike freight rates by 10 to 15% on bulk commodities. The government is planning sovereign wealth fund to help PSU oil companies to acquire oil assets abroad. The government of Maharashtra has increased VAT by 1% on 94 products. Moving on to the recommendations, we have Tata Elxsi. We recommend traders to buy the stock in the range of Rs 304 to Rs 308 for an initial target of Rs 330. It is advised to maintain a stop loss at Rs 295 on all long positions. GMTC, we recommend high-risk traders to buy the stock between the range of Rs 144 to Rs 146 and maintain a stop loss at Rs 139 for a target price of Rs 156. Moving on to the derivatives, we have long IVRCL Infrastructure and Projects Limited March future at Rs 334 for a target price of Rs 350 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 330 for a lot size of 1000. And long Videocon Industries Limited March future at Rs 230 for a target price of Rs 245 and a stop loss is to be placed as Rs 225 for a lot size of 850. Thank you and have a great day ahead.